GK Phonk, low addiction. Feel the bass inside your chest. Again and again. Sound follows in my sleep.
Low addiction.
Feel the bass vibration.
Low addiction.
Heavy sound temptation.
Low addiction.
The neon lights.
Low addiction keeps me alive tonight.
Purple, blue, every sound cuts right through. Every loop stays in my head, even when the music ends. No sleep when the vibe feels right, lost inside the flashing lights. Every wave pulls me deep in the sound, I never sleep. Windows down while the bassline rolls, heavy pressure taking hold. Every hit keeps dragging me right where I'm supposed to be.
Now the pressure starts to rise, neon fire in my eyes. Every hit shakes my chest, never letting me rest. I don't fight it anymore, this is what I'm living for. One more drop before daylight,
Keep me trapped inside the night.
low addiction.
I lose control.
Low addiction.
Heavy bass in my soul.
Low addiction.
Feel the speakers blow.
Low addiction.
Let the low explode. Again and again.
The bass pulls me in,
Again and again.
I replay it again.
Low vibes,
Late nights,
heavy sound.